Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we learned how to do a search operation on a binary tree. Hope you have understood that concept. Now in this video, let's learn how to insert a node in a binary tree. So when we are inserting a new node in a binary tree, there can be total two conditions. That is, when the root is blank, that is, it's a blank tree, the tree does not exist. And the second case is where the tree exists and we have to look for the first vacant place. So as obvious, in case 1, if the root is blank, that is the tree does not exist, we simply create a root node and we insert a value in it. Very simple. Now when it comes to second case, all that we have to do is we have to do a level order traversal and check which place is vacant. So if we see this tree, which place do we see vacant? So we see even 15 does not have a child, 250 does not have child, 35 does not have a child, and even 50 does not have a right child. So now the question is, in among all of these blank spaces, which is the one that should be occupied? So the answer to that is whichever node which comes first while doing a level order traversal is considered as a first vacant child. Now when we are doing a level order traversal, we'll first see 20. Does it have both the childs? Yes. So we can't insert a new value. So we'll go to next level. We'll see 100. Does it have both the children? Yes. So we can't do anything. We go to the next node, 3. Does it have both the children? Yes. So again we can't do anything. We come to level 3 and see 50. Does it have both the children? No. It has left child but it does not have right child. So this is the first vacant node. So we can insert our new value, let's say 300 over here. Now let's say if we want to insert one more value, let's say 400, then the next vacant node is this one. Then the next vacant node is this one, and so on. Fine. So I hope you have understood how to do an insertion in a binary tree. So now let's see how does the algorithm for this looks like. So the algorithm is very simple. The name of the method is insert node in a binary tree. It checks if root is blank. That is, if it is a blank tree or a empty tree, then it inserts a new node at root and we are done. Else, we'll do a level order traversal and find the first blank space and we'll insert our value in that blank space. So what that means is we will first visit the root node, which is 20. We will enqueue it over here and then we will dequeue it and see if both of its children are there or not. Yes, both of its children are there, so we'll enqueue both of them. So now 20 does not exist in this queue. It will dequeue the first element 100 and check if 100's two children are there or not. 50 and 15, both of their children are there, so we'll insert 50 and 15. Now it will again dequeue the first element. It will check if 3's both the child are there or not. Yes, it is there, 250 and 35. So we insert 250 and 35. So 3 is dequeued. Then it checks the first element, which is 50. Both of his children are there or not? No. So 222, the left child is there but right child is not there. So what we will do is we will stop this loop over here and we will insert a new child over here saying right child of 50, let's say 300. Fine. So I hope you have understood how to insert a node in a binary tree. Now let's see what is the time and space complexity of this algorithm. So checking if root is blank or not is a constant time operation. Inserting a node at root is a constant time operation. Else is a constant time operation. Doing a level order traversal is order of n time operation, because in the worst case we will have to traverse almost all of the nodes and the number of node is n, so the time complexity becomes order of n. Now inserting a value in blank space is a constant time operation. So if we add all of this, we get time complexity order of n. Space complexity is order of n, which is very obvious because we are using a queue, and in the worst case we will have to insert or in-queue all of the nodes of the binary tree in that queue, and the total number of nodes in the binary tree is n. So the space complexity becomes order of n. Fine, so I hope you have understood how to insert a new node in a binary tree. Now in the next video, let's talk about how to delete a node from a binary tree. So let's do that in the next video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.